Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2024 Harley Davidson Road Glide 3. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This bike has only 790 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. This bike has a 14-volt charging output, a 5/32 front tire tread depth, and both rear tires are at 10/30 seconds. This bike has been test ridden and runs rides and shifts properly. Looking at the service repair order, we put $467 into this bike, and you can view this bike's repair order on our website to see what work we did. Because of this bike's age and low mileage, we point out everything we can see as flaws not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the trunk. This bike has no owner's manual, no toolkit, one key, and one fob. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, reverse, and navigation. This bike has a clear title, and looking at the CycleCheck's vehicle history report, there are no concerns. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.